Well, good morning, everyone. David Cook with DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. Doing a quick video. This is actually our living room, but we're actually having it painted today. So we're going to use our own employees and paint part of our house. One, it's right before Easter. We have a lot of spring breaks going on, so we have a couple people postponing. And then we're just trying out some of our processes and systems and making sure that they work with our own home before we put them out into your home. So one of the things, like this video, it'll be a training thing also. So one of the things we look at is if people have nails in the wall, the nail stays, the holes go away. So every place we have holes in the wall, they'll be patching those. And then doing the walkthrough, different things where the crown molding may have cracks in there, make sure those are getting caulked. And they're gonna have a pre-job walkthrough to have a checklist to make sure all the stuff. Are their curtains gonna stay? Are they gonna go? One of the things we started doing is hold harmless agreements. So certain things like pianos, large bookcases, if they're not moved and you want us to move them, it's just a quick agreement that if we put a slider underneath the bookcase, if we move it, we're not going to be responsible if something happens to the bookcase. Or if we're moving a piano, this has wheels on it, but if we're moving the piano and if it moves, it's out of tune, we're not responsible for a piano being out of tune. There's that's our honey stand, just a little small thing Gwen made for us. But simple thing, we've moved away from the wall, but if our guys were to move that in a hold harmless agreement, if they move that and a jar breaks, they're not gonna be responsible for it. So simple things like that. We've taken all the pictures down everywhere, as you can see. The TV is just on a stand, so it's nice and easy. We don't have to worry about it coming off or being mounted to the wall. Cords being moved, so it'll be easier. We don't have to worry about how much is going to be moved. So these are simple things that we're looking for, verifying, is any trim being painted? The pictures that are there, are they staying? I already said that though. Ceilings, we're working with the ceilings. Are there any cracks that need to be repaired on the walls? Or any issues that need to be repaired? And overall, not really, but it's stuff that we're looking for. So as you're preparing your room to be painted, this is things you need to start thinking about. Are you going to keep the holes that are there? What's coming off? What's not coming off? We send information about hold harmless agreements as far as what we'll move. Furniture, for example, we'll move it to the middle, cover it with plastic. Larger items, fragile items, we'll move it, but we're not going to be responsible for it. So there's just a quick pre-video on things that we are looking for as we get ready to paint the house. And so here we are going to do the ceilings, walls, and the ceilings will be white, and the walls are going to be a Sherwin-Williams color called shiitake. So looking forward to it. Week before Easter, before we have a couple people over, a little bit brighter. So it'll be great. If you have any questions on painting your house, preparing to paint your house, or things that, what to look for, questions to ask, love to hear how we can help you. Love the space you're in with a brand new paint job.